We love drones. They can have cameras, sensors, and conquer the skies. So what's there to improve? At MakeKit, we love to tinker, develop, and even program things. So we made Airbit, the world's first microbit drone. The kit lets you build, modify, and even code your own drone. And with the MakeCode platform, that's easier than ever. Let's hear from the expert.
I'm Henny, the creator of Airbit. I discovered the microbit a few years ago. It was really easy to get started with and it had a great radio, so I decided to make a drone for it. This way anyone can build, design and program their own quadcopter. You can control it with another microbit or use your app. It's all open source, so you can make your own code with the Microsoft MakeKit platform, or you can even make your own app with the MIT App Inventor platform. We also include connections for servos, cameras and various sensors. Here's an FPV camera and here's an ultrasonic distance sensor. If you own a 3D printer, you can download and print this frame or design your own.